In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square payments to your Squarespace website. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or you're looking to expand your payment options, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate Square into your Squarespace setup. Let's jump right in. First, you're going to head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings you need to manage your website. So, log into your account and navigate to your site's dashboard. If you're already familiar with your dashboard, then you're in the right place to get started. Next, look for the Settings option. You'll usually find it on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will give you access to all the options you need to manage different aspects of your site, from design to commerce. Settings is crucial because it acts as the control center for customizing your website functionalities. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to find and click on Selling. This section is specifically designed for managing the sales aspects of your site. It's vital because this is where all the magic happens for your e-commerce operation. From here, you can manage products, orders, and of course, payment options. After opening the Selling section, you'll see another option labeled Payments. Click on this. Payments are a critical section as it tells your site how to process transactions. Here, you'll configure which payment methods are available to your customers at checkout, ensuring you provide a smooth purchasing experience. Now, you should be in the Payments area. What you need to do next is choose a payment provider. In this case, you'll select Square as your preferred payment processor. There should be a Connect button that you'll click on. This step is important because it links Square with your Squarespace site. By connecting the two, you're enabling your site to accept payments processed through Square, making it easier for your customers to pay. Once you click Connect, you'll be prompted to log into your Square account to authorize this integration. If you don't have a Square account yet, this is the point where you'll need to create one. Simply follow the instructions provided and make sure you fill in all necessary details correctly to avoid any issues later. If you encounter any problems during these steps, don't hesitate to check Squarespace's support documentation or reach out to their customer service for help. It's better to ask questions and get it right than to troubleshoot a malfunction later on. And there you have it. You've successfully added Square payments to your Squarespace website. This setup will provide your customers with a reliable way to pay and ensure that your business transactions are handled seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your e-commerce platform.